Judge ne say, "Krata da nim no, e ade bi kropa etwa na kumem, etwa ne yam. E asem bi a ye na adwe mu sekrene se enne, asem wo court. Na lawyer onim mra, ono ne client enya problem. O say ohu ne say, engineer so bi ani so. In fact, that me name client, ye chairman Wontumi, ye nya adwuma bi. Se asem no krampo no, twa ne sunu ama na num aye no nwono. E asem bi a eye bosremuka, eni nyina so. Na ama ono judge ne kwa ne num ato. Na ka supplicate, man ne num ato. After all these things, Accra High Court dismisses and the Appiah-Kubi's application to withdraw legal services for Chairman Wontumi in Samra Boy case. Yes, see, and in some way, no, mudo no, mon sheda enya but oh say, they be am catch a Ghana from Wofi near Bruchi. Asamoba, look for the right source and follow the document, the information. Over tiasie. The Martin say. Appiah-Kubi say, onye Chairman Wontumi lawyer bi. Last week Friday, me catch them say Chairman Wontumi lawyer ka say onye Chairman Wontumi lawyer bi ma. It's got nothing to do with the court. No. It is an agreement between the client and the attorney or the lawyer. That's it. The court has nothing to do with Chairman Wontumi lawyer, especially when the case has been exhausted. The court has nothing to do with it. Say, and the Enra ye share a year for a Tunisia for Abra Omubo World Cup no. Tunisia for Apamu Omu coach and then it's got nothing to do with FIFA. Tunisia, any coach, Omu agreement Omako that he can be fired at any time. So it does not affect the FIFA tournament. It's the same as in the courtroom, especially to say, yeah, ball, yeah, finals, and I bought a tournament. Now your ball game with FIFA just a 90 minutes plus extra time and now added time. Now your ball ni now your ball added time no so account. Your game na afi what ba catch a FIFA say. Now also your changes be your 5 options also your changes 5 ni na ba o your 40 o protect say adentina. But that decision was up to you. It is at your mercy. You make those decisions. So, obe change 4, obe change 5. FIFA say, "Wow, 5 slots. Make those changes." It will decide so use 1, and now 4, and now 5. It is at your own what advantage or disadvantage. So that got nothing to do with FIFA. And this is what is happening right now with this Appiah-Kubi and Chairman Wontumi issue. No, it is simple as that. And the major idea or plan behind this is that they want to delay the case. Omnim say court no any the judiciary any lawyers no mobile call break, and they want to find ways to delay Chairman Wontumi judgment na no. But something happened in court today. Something happened that most media houses did not take their time to explain to Ghana for. And many would say ayesade we ama mo amu Kumasi asante for mu di MPP china ma bon na mu nsua de na mo sori a mu mubi mu nkura sese mo de ti Wontumi no mo da mo mbeda da mo ana mo behwe no na mo mpanifo nyina ya che o magum e won kran Chairman Wontumi okodem a o medem Kumasi o bebi apoda e de betum eni sa mo betena mo bi betena Kumasi mo bi betena santimemu say ya MPP for ma nipa bi agimi mu a mo ni bete no na mo ankasa no ye de mu kotum obi antan obia but matena wa ma eye party no nokre onka nkyerem e na mo so mu musansam mo so na matemoto bini na modi na mudi party na chi inti mo dodo no omo musam asai mo adwene wo fom na ma medwedwe bibi mu nkyerem team stay with me. And Appiah-Kubi say or court akoka kire judge ne say ono Appiah-Kubi onye Chairman Wontumi lawyer biem. That's fine. Now okopie court dey na see judge no etie Appiah-Kubi asem. Ena sa particular asem we Appiah-Kubi di buy no judge no rule was so. Now you see court no dismiss Appiah-Kubi asem or the buy just say asem or the buy nyanse nim eningina so nti court anje antum. Appiah-Kubi call court ko ka kire judge ne say me ne me client ne enya adwuma biem. Ena judge ne say asem we dey say emfa court ho. Say o client today another lawyer beba or the day beba o client asem me dey what I know and say the woman nim no eno na me di ho adwuma nti ono client a cool, so client a cover girlfriend do, so no client a cover be girlfriend ya bob. I don't that it's got nothing to do with the court. Now, they see your court ni judge no a ruling, and that ruling me be kan achiro me wi na ma chiro bibi o ruling nim. Remember, as some way a Samurai Boy case we no on the 3rd of July and a judge in the judgment beba. Remember, Oba on the 3rd of June no and Okache say on the 3rd of July no and yes or the judgment beba. So technically 1 month. All right. Now, so technically as some na e wo court and kasi ye die wie ya kan wie evidence that judge nanim no ene na ohwede atro no ho judgment. So won't be for ana on the for. It is what is before the judge. It is not about the lawyers. What am I say? Now, judge, you know, or dismiss Appiah-Kubi as someone no. Mami ready the okan yankasa. Ewo sa the esi o court in there. Ninjina so. Send a be out to a mema kwasiye bintina Wontumi. Kwasiye bintina Kesbin. Kwasiye bintina radio fubi so nkan chira was say. Or ti asasi radio. Kwasiye bintina Metro TV nka say oye Paul Ademochire. Na on that down because Adada ne mam mudodo no at the end of the day kwasi campaign to support Ademochire to make a two for say Kumasi International Airport international Kumasi Airport international airport san kwasi andada we na budi akire no mumudodo amugu asantime mu no munsua de nkenkan emma mo kwan musansem no ena ma kwasi campaign to support Ademochire to be ba Kumasi ebetwe otum for ase de elikosi Kumasi Airport say international airport no because mumudodo no mo agimi mo musansem. Yen record we muna ntiminya den go we dey give you mejuma near for off. This is what happened in court today. Ma me biem na me dwam na Ghana fo hu ansa na kwase be ka say Saturday we mo amoditi Wontumi radio ne Kesbin FM ne MPP for radios no ana mo tintam we na mo fa nkire nkofo no mo ankokan budget to me awie no enso me sanye modwuma ma mo gimi de sankrata we ye wie court anu makoho de be mamo na ma be kan akire Ghana for the judge ne kan ye enu anu no na afei mo ken kan bro for na modwum me san we ni power and protect NDC 42 years na me san ye modwuma mo gimi NPP communicators no modwuma ne san Wontumi ken kan jejire. This is simple. Why are you people making it so complicated? Momianko kind they see or court in there. Now in the Superior Court of Judicature, in the High Court of Justice, Criminal Court 4, held in Accra on Monday, the 15th day of June 2026, before Her Ladyship Audrey Kosuvi Tay, Justice of the High Court. Now, case number CR004/2026, time 9:02 a.m. And Nanopa and Sebio Omo Echo Court on this matter, certified true copy. Now, the Republic versus Bernard Ejubo Siakon, Kwame entry. Nipa 9 nipa miensa ne charge o ba ko adwane. Samra boy case no. Bernard Ejubo Siakon chairman Wontumi ye charge no. Kwame entry at large what the waka buying boom okọ Kwame entry ne hu no. Ena eya akonta mining company ye chairman Wontumi dia. Mo MPP for munni madwuma me san be ye madwuma na kamete se amenya moden. Now mamindi dwam accused persons A1 presents and represents A3. Now, Mamenkai ruling. Enti Appiah-Kubi court the judge ruling ni the jina so or the conclude assembly so dismiss Appiah-Kubi some person chairman Wontumi lawyer no. Judge say ni jina so fako. Mamenkin kind am judgum. Well, simple. Ochina monkin kind of radio in people for Jimmy. Now, ruling before the court is a motion on notice for leave to withdraw legal services for first and third accused persons. You see, before the court, no, enkrata da way a free Appiah-Kubi no, enkrata a lawyer or representative chairman Wontumi any akonta mining. Why me entry we done into only lawyer. In Appiah-Kubi there, or say or withdraw the services. Onya Wontumi lawyer biem and onya akonta mining lawyer biem Kwame entry we done into any baby Kwame entry wo. Inti aka se nyina se Kwame entry dwane. Kwame entry what the one buying boom wuram ye wu baby odinam. Kwame entry is at large. Right, what you Now, come here, Jimon can want some. No, but Jibitu. Now, I have also listened to learned counsel on both sides on objection raised. I have also considered the applicable law. Now, it is the considered opinion of this court that the instant application is a surplusage. It's a surplusage in the sense that there is no procedural requirement for a lawyer in a criminal matter to file an appearance. In much the same way, there is no such procedural requirement either under the criminal and other. Kevin, where the one change my antiasia, a buofun, so as many do water, Minam. Now, oh, Bamentoaswa. Utwaswa, Quasia for Abanum, where the Kevin and Jeremiah antiasia, a buofun, natural matem. Now, Utwaswa say offenses. Act 1960 at 30 or by judicial precedent that I had come across that a lawyer who has decided to cease to act for his client in a criminal matter must seek the leave of the court to so withdraw. Judge say, "Can tell that the no hune de e bi kropa etwa na kumem etwa ne yam sebio e asembia eye na adwemu sekrene se enne asem wo court na lawyer onim mra onim se sebio court mratie na sa lawyer ne ono ne client enya problem na lawyer no na adwene ye ne se obetumi aba court na obeka kire court se nipa na meye ne lawyer no meni na gya adwuma ye o se ohu ne se engineer so bia ni so in fact wohwe Ghana mremu a we ya de a ewosanka eye den Appiah-Kubi a ono de sa moshi we ba na ete ase se engineer so bia ni se ewosa oba court kura be krame se me ne me client eye chema Wontumi ye nya adwuma biem o se asem no krampo no etwa ne sunum ama na num aye no nwono o kan a o se asem na eye Appiah-Kubi de abeto se oba court abeka kire me judge se chema Wontumi high no na ono judge no oni ho chema Wontumi ne ene ne keka sika asem so obetua le ka a day no per hour no na oni wo no se nde Appiah-Kubi ni chema Wontumi gya adwuma ya aden na waba court abechechire bi se na me ni we na ye adwuma na ye den ye nya adwuma bi o se ene de on de ohun se eya asem ya eye bosremuka eya asem ya eni nyina so eya asem ya sebio I to say Appiah-Kubi on shada nim de okeka na ama ono judge kwa nenum ato eno na kaza supplicage ama nenum ato ye dwudwam Appiah-Kubi wo de na wo so ko tuche mu ho se me mabon wo na wo PhD ko me ni PhD me go school kurada enti wo na wako school wiase yira ko na ko kirechirem Facebook ye nyisika aboa paragraph 3 ye dwudwam even though the respondent has raised other grounds of objection, the objection is sustainable on only one main ground, which is the application by counsel for leave to withdraw from criminal proceedings is not a function of any rule of procedure nor of settled case law jurisprudence. Kai aba osi ewom se asema eye Appiah-Kubi de bae no sebio omo a eye attorney general mokra so asore etia se asem ne nyina so no o se ono ngasa judge no otena asem no hwa asem na court nsensem mu ne court nyina so no ohu asem bia krampo a onkotwa ho nam emfa metoto ade a Appiah-Kubi ekire o se hwede pompo ekire wa motiom because eba court mremu a ohu eye asem ana emra bi kra ontumi nkotwa ho emfa mbeka asem wanka se wempo de ene ne sekakra o se o check a jurisprudence any brofo kese o use ye no o se the Appiah-Kubi ye no I said the pompo e kire wa botuom na on seda ni asem on seda ntumi nko eye court mrem enhwehwe nkrata mu ehun posa asem bia ba obetumi gina ka se okay ye twa asem mi ho kakra e de didi asem bi o se onhu bi aboa on ti ase mi djudjom ko bia wo de Facebook ye nyiska kwasiato ruling na making ka kire wo no wa mam sika ade acha wo do kwasia se be di otu fu atem komenhia ne kire mu kire wo. Paragraph 4. Tieniye pa judge ni judgment ni. The instant application is alien. Judge ni say eye krata na Appiah-Kubi di aba no. Eye tete extraterrestrial spirits. Honhum bone honhum a ebi ni asase so a de bia na excite omo den tete from aliens emfiasas or say the application is alien or say in samampom na be hun krata we atro we bi or say the instant application is alien and not a procedural requirement in criminal proceedings or say krata Appiah-Kubi di ba say oni chairman Wontumi nya adwuma biem ono oyejaja omu nyina tekod o say sa krata na otro de beto wo no eye bosremuka sebio eye honhum nsem a sebio say ebi kura ni asase so eye alien ye ka say bibi ye alien a ye nhye dan hwehwe muhu ni gina bie eni gina so ninjina bia ni ho yentumi ntwa asem bi mfa nka sa asem no if you say nipa ninjina so and if an alien you cannot at the end of the day prove it. I say asem no aya ni nyenyan it's enunciating and word no you see no or say it is alien and not a procedural requirement in criminal proceedings or say eba kro no ho nsam keka enchirechire mu ne court mu den nsam dia o se saa asam na eye Appiah-Kubi ka no I just said ye pompo e kire wa motuom enjina so enhyeda ni ho so it is antas wa fe wo se brantie de o ya de o aboa me ya de kwase ampe we abedi matas wa de o tu voatem into way a UFO extraterrestrial spirit. Yes. Judge Nukra is shocked. She is amazingly amazed, conspicuously convinced that this despicable application is alienated to the alien level of UFOs. Now, young paragraph 4, I see. Counsel herein does not need leave of this court to withdraw as counsel. Or see, or see Appiah-Kubi. Oh, here court permission say on the chairman Wontumi be judge court de only ne sign the contract na mini ho na mini ha court ni ho chief justice ni ho judicial service ni ho inti embemu krampo say wo be so na papa oto aba to powder be gina say me chairman Wontumi nya adwuma biem no o say emra kura no bia ni wa e kire say e wo sanko otu sa na mo no yanko yanim. This is an issue between himself and his client. That is, in this case, the first and third accused persons. Or see, sa same way Appiah-Kubi dia be gina quarter or yet say pompo kire wa motuom ogu o samra ne ho je ne ho samra ne no. Or see, sa same way ono de clearly no enya sama ye de ba court. Or say eye between chairman Wontumi akonta mining any Appiah-Kubi omunko fie no omunko solve. Judge ruling ni ende wie onso man kinkan we ankyere mo kwasia 40 Wontumi ne nkwasia Kesbi ne omugimi FM ekekan kwasia sam muntia sam no enje nkrantan kinkan. This application is an alien application. Alien application. It's a pure alien application. Now, Okudeni no say if he chooses by his personal decisions to abandon his client, brofuna judge natural no. Or say if Appiah-Kubi chooses, if he chooses, one can say if the court chooses, one can say if I the judge or the prosecution, or say if he chooses by his personal decision on one can say pem. So ye na adwene say so o siri trimu pi na ono ani pem o ye na adwene say obeto eye chairman Wontumi ato atwene ewo kwan so abra make sure eye judgment or say sa ade no at this stage it will not affect the timetable of the proceedings. Or say sa Appiah-Kubi ankasa firi ni pem oboni na adwene mu pi o hye no ho bo na oye na adwene se baby omodu no obeto chairman Wontumi ato atwene na oni na gya adwuma dia o se eno no ne court de enka ne court na aka ne court skirt o se ne court ne de ebo adwuma ni nyina ne sen ye nyina ye twen judgment on the 3rd of July. Enti inkura Appiah-Kubi ene chairman Wontumi ene akontama ne ebo abonte no se enka enka court dwuma dia yedi. In fact, the court does not recognize it. Me catch them last week. Yanko enim metro baby e ho na enkini wom. Say MPP for you see dodo mu di MPP chi no magimi. MPP for no mo enkran na ombani okumase a na MPP kumase for no twa ho ahia. Ebini frinkran bo ebini frinkran ne rekete ginim omo musansam. Enti dia na nkran for no ye ne say MPP nkran for no eye ba omiane ne nkofo no omo ba kumase no mo benne. Omo bani wo kumase a na be jajandam na to na ye ne ye MPP for the was antibem no ne start group ebini frinkran bo ebini frinkran ebini frinkran bo ebini frinkran bo no mo so ebini frinkran ba omo musansam wan bini nie eduane be no di ye no di gobe ye nim ebini frinkran bo ebini frinkran ye musansam enwan se ebini frinkran ba ni egu ho ni ejimi MPP nti mo jimi o. Now mame ko be ni na mdidwa de akanim ejuma ne ye o hwa akọ hwe o hwe na wadi kuma eye simple we menshel miam show miam sika
se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho ba ye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho ba ye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho ba ye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a
ebini frinkran bo ebini frinkran ne abenne no mokọ ne edinwa agura de hia na se ebini aba ebini frinkran bo ebini frinkran amini we freeze na mensa kakra ah na kete fora ebini frinkran bo ebini frinkran bo ebini frinkran ne yatwe ebini frinkran bo enkranfo na benne enkranfo MPP fo na benne okumase ene egu ho wadwa ko bia wo de Facebook ye jiska aboofunu mama dwodwam now over paragraph 5 ebini frinkran mo de mo tatra na monya o Appiah-Kubi o ni cheba o di kwasa contract na Ghana ba o na aboofunu the state did not employ you Appiah-Kubi na ya pamo a o ba be ka kire state no e de nkwasa keka no ebini frinkran now mamen kind de wase no e ho na ink no wo ye wi a say ye nyankase show about 11 o Ghana nkwasa journalist for Wontumi kan kan kire mo motete wona jimi paragraph 5 judge in the ruling or say the application is not competent before the court. Or say application about me. Say competent or say the application is not competent before the court. The judge in the park change and say sakrata na Appiah-Kubi di ba no sebio we de na no sisumina so kwasi ansam sheda ninjina so enya sema nyansa wo ma wo se nipa tena ho epopo mu bensem pensemu edwini mpo se obedi hu dwuma or say the application is not competent. Application no nyansa nim eninjina so emfaso ni so entumi say court the time nipa onim de onfa saa ade we emba enti judge no she was being diplomatic about her statement, being politically correct and legally reasonable. She was rationally dissecting the foolishness of Appiah-Kubi in a more matured, deliberate and fantastic way. It uses said the application is not competent before the court. It was say samna Appiah-Kubi dia bano nyansenim but okani Christom yanko enim na minjum okunen was say assuming without admitting that the application were even competent before this court, the court has taken notice that the lawyer seeking to withdraw has not directed service on his own client to enable them appropriately respond. Or say, young fan in say, or judge is okay. What ye a woman says some of the banyan said, but young fan is say, ye per se, the other banumpo yabejatum. Appiah-Kubi cramponumpo and serve chairman Wontumi officially. And can't say, Minue Jumaye. Just Appiah-Kubi no, and Kwasiadi buga nkurasem. Court and say, ah. O de young fan say, Sankwa say we yajatum. Na sa ne clients na ono enti oba court hano. Sa ne clients krono crampono Wontumi officially and can say, Mo Minue Jumaye. In his application, he could not states that officially he has at the end of the day resigned from being the lawyer of these two clients. So judge says now one can say what about sign contract when no client didn't come munim dia mobeje afei mujja mo come on break it down yenya o quarter be disturb fa so be no so e dia nsem hunu no the application is not bawomia. So the judge is saying the application is not Baumia, it is not competent. The application from Appiah-Kubi, no, it is Baumia, it is not competent. Into say, oh dear, young fan say, Yemfa obuo ema Appiah-Kubi. Ni anka say okay, Appiah-Kubi. Oh dear, the other body ajatum. Na ye pesi ebusa wo. Sa eye enkofo na ugina o manemu wo court ha no. A chairman Wontumi na kontamine no. Officially mpo, waka chom so ne omunye adwuma biem. Yansa bi anim osi ngina so nim ebini frinkan bo ebini frinkan mo de munimal se MPP fo abani agu kumase na MPP fo a mo kumase na mugu ho ebini frinkan ba na mo che ne se force oh we de ye we first selection ebini na mo che ne first selection mumbu sansam ebini we firi he wan dia odi aduane ben he na okodidi munnim de munimal se ebini frinkan. That kind of one client, yes, yeah. Chairman Wontumi jelly now, baby, Ibrahim a Jimmy for Monkey Kang. I'm sure you are inking woman. Now, over paragraph 6. Pay attention. Let me change this and put you on paragraph 6. Yashada I highlighting maybe chawa debut. Paragraph 6. Let me read paragraph 6. I want to say, so case na muhu simple sa no. MP before you so be Jimmy. Now let me read the paragraph 6 any. My mentor idea judge in the tro. My mentor I see. I see consequently. And yet consequently. Consequently. And consequences, the yanka consequences. Me mama bro foka krawa ha e Jimmy for no. It is your choice. Yanka it is your choice be Jimmy. We don't have any choice. We are waiting and we will see what they will say. Yanka no a choice and your choice. Let them do what they want to do. It is their own choice. A full choice. One choice. And your consequence, a consequence. Consequently, the O is silent. It should drop in your throat. Consequently, and yet consequently. We don't know the consequences. We are here. Are there consequences? Are there any consequences? It is their own, they will face the consequences. It is not consequences, it is consequences. Consequences. So I'm for consequences. Consequences. And your consequences. And a choice. 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 It is your choice. It is your choice. And your choice. It is your own choice. It is a party. It is a party or it is a party. And yet it is a party. Yanka party. Party. A party. It is, they are having fun at the party. And yet they are having fun at the party. So it is not choice. It is not consequences. It is not party. And it is also not it is not digitalized. It is not digitalization. It is digitalization. And yet digitalization. And then the digital and digital and yet digitalization. Digitalization, digitalization, and yet digitalization, yeah, but we are digitalization says, get it might be before Mumbreme. It's one case of Mumbreme. It said, but then some of my papa, it put me near the kitty and ask for us. It's one Mumbreme. I don't have mamu. Enti some beto eye chinabon kwa 50,000 boxes de come papa keke enti entu mutumi nye enti mwankasa muti obo mreme mwankasa naturally mo mreme enti de me ye all right mo me kan paragraph 6 yeah that who the incompetent applications the alien application yeah go ejuma we bi jaya be shime for emi nyanya yo meche papa me hey now mo me ko the consequences is paragraph 6 that makes now paragraph 6 this is what the judge said into my pacho you yatia you know 2027 adibia now consequently since filing of closing addresses is optional and not a function of the rules. That is to say, there is no provision under the rule compelling a lawyer for an accused or prosecution to file an address. But men kind with them you ahana enkene wo. Judge no ni ruling or tro bibi or say and now can bibi or say consequently, since filing of closing addresses is optional. What is closing addresses? Yedi asabni nyina ewie. Let me do a little education here. Now, if you say a court, right? Now, your boy and crow in a ebi ohwa answer na judge no edin ruling beba or see both councils obia entry ni opinion and then your friend no addresses and then your friend no your final address. That opinion judge no say optional. Until right now, judge say on the 3rd of July and or the judgment bebano. Any opinion that is put out by both councils, it is just optional. You can choose not to address. You can choose not to share your opinion on the proceedings, how you saw it, and how you see your client's fate. It is optional. It does not really affect judgment. It is judge and it cannot see. And let me read this again. A very important because right now, no, the whole thing has become say Appiah-Kubi say address be also address the court, even though the judge is writing her final judgment, the address judge a ruling say the address is optional. Sa address na either the prosecution or the defense counsel will write to the judge, they are optional. Technically, they are opinions of both counsel. So a counsel can choose not to address. So factually, it does not affect the case, the final judgment, because the judge is looking at what is in front of her, not an opinion. The judge is basing her judgment on facts, and facts are what was provided during the cross-examination, the proceedings from the prosecution and the accused. At this point, the judge is basing his judgment on the facts that were provided. But if the prosecution counsel or the accused counsel decide to address, that is optional and also an opinion of the counsel. It is an obi kachira will say, Appiah-Kubi, I will say or address it. Judge no the judgment. The address is optional. Embrabie nuwa just address no eya chinchini ane chin. And no nebe determine or nebe decide the case. No. You can choose to go through the whole proceedings and decide, say, Mr. Judge, thank you. I don't want to address. I don't want to have my opinion on the whole thing. Write your judgment. A optional. But Appiah-Kubi the MP before the creative BBR to Ghana for him say that address, plays a very vital role in the judgment. It doesn't. Now, Mamako and Namcho Adebi. Or say, consequently, since filing of closing addresses is optional and not a function of the rules, Yes, a court. You can choose to do it, you can choose to ignore, because it does not affect the matter with evidence. It does not. It's just an opinion. It functions of the rules. That is to say, there is no provision under the rules compelling a lawyer for an accused or prosecution to file an address. Now, Okoren must say, addresses are optional statement made by lawyers to articulate on the merits or demerits on a case one way or the other. Or say, the thing we call addresses are optional statements made by lawyers to articulate on the merit or demerits on a case one way or the other. So basically, your lawyer can choose to address. It is the opinion of your lawyer, because during the address, the lawyer is trying to share his opinion on the whole process. The address does not affect the evidence which was put before the judge. If Appiah-Kubi decides today not to be the lawyer of Chairman Wontumi, not Chairman Wontumi a new lawyer, and the new lawyer will come in and share an opinion through an address, but the new lawyer cannot affect the facts or evidence the judge is basing her judgment on. Do you understand? Because you need to understand and say the judge is already writing his judgment. Now, if Appiah-Kubi say because he has not addressed the court should stop, no, because it is optional. Now, if Atta Akyea is stepping in for Appiah-Kubi, Atta Akyea can address, and the address is optional. So Atta Akyea cannot halt the judgment the judge is writing, because the addresses cannot affect evidence. Evidence sits on its own. The judge is basing his judgment on the evidence. Addresses are opinions. So Atta Akyea, who is now the new lawyer of Chairman Wontumi, can choose not to address. And he can also choose to address. But the issue is, the bottom line is, he chooses to address. Technically, he will share his opinion on the whole proceedings. And if he wants an opinion on proceedings, he can ask Appiah-Kubi. Appiah-Kubi can give him all that happened in court. Appiah-Kubi can share with him all the proceedings, how evidence were tendered in. Appiah-Kubi has all the evidence. So Atta Akyea has work to do. He can go to Appiah-Kubi and take all documentations, read and share his opinion. But he needs to understand, his opinion cannot affect the evidence that has been tendered in, the evidence that the judge is basing his judgment on. Now we'll read the last part of the judge's statement. Now I'll say, the court would by this extend the time of filing written addresses from the 17th of June 2026 to the 24th of June 2026. Now, Judge, say, the address, the opinions, because Appiah-Kubi, I redrawn the services from Chairman Wontumi, nanka was say written address on the 17th of June, we nanka was say you're ready. But Judge say, because Appiah-Kubi is redrawing his services, Oma Akwesi 24th, meaning it is still within the judgment date. Why? Because addresses are just opinions, meaning Atta Akyea still can address through written opinions, address by writing to the court, share his opinion. So Atta Akyea ochina, what he can do in the say, obetuma ko eye Appiah-Kubi was say documents are share the court in a former me share. Now me share proceedings and me so much share my opinion. They are still within the 3rd of July, meaning the judgment is still valid. The strategy of Appiah-Kubi and Atta Akyea is to delay the case. But the judge said, if even a person or a considerator, nanka on the 17th, Obiani Wobetumi submitted written addresses. But I'll say, because of what Appiah-Kubi is saying, say a new lawyer has come out. The lawyer can still share his opinion because facts, the court have all the proceedings. Fact. Appiah-Kubi has all the proceedings. So at the end of the day, if Atta Akyea is really ready to be Chairman Wontumi's lawyer, he can go for those things. One man more days. Now go say end the 17th or so, end the 24th. And Atta Akyea still has to share his opinion. He can choose not to share. And the judge say, still, the judgment still stays on the 3rd of July 2026. The judge will come out and bring out the judgment of this matter. So what the judge in the what the judge was trying to say, then say, Matidia Mokano, but the fact of the case in Yan say, your decisions with your clients, Wontumi, any akonta, it does not affect the evidence I am basing my judgment on. Finito non grata. Atta Akyea can be your lawyer from today. From now to the 24th, if you want your lawyer to share his opinion, he has the right to share his opinion. The documents are there. He can go to Appiah-Kubi. Appiah-Kubi can hand over everything to him. He can still go to the court. They have all the documents. He can read through it and share his opinion. But opinions are optional. Addresses are optional. And nobody in Ghana can base judgments on opinions. The judge can only write his judgment based on the evidence Appiah-Kubi provided and the prosecution also provided. So for the judge, he's working with evidence. Whatever comes after the evidence is just optional. It is just an opinion. And this will be catch will say, Appiah-Kubi, ofri hono, Chairman Wontumi, akofa Atta Akyea, into ose court no, and postpone case no, delay taxes no. From what I have read, there is no room for anybody to postpone any case. The judge, from what I have read, with all due respect, I don't believe she can postpone any judgment. The judgment still needs to come on the 3rd of July 2026. I'll be right back after this short break. Na diakano edashishaso.
Tienshe ekwanya flood and faso bani. Enti ushe video ya yem pick lesson bi ewo this video ayeden etwagu insuo to na nsuo no toye no look at how enwura rubber efi enam swimming. This is how a flooding efasoba hwe amna ya nsuo edru hui nanka betumi akọ because nsuo no no so a enko, but look at how a ebesi ebu afaso si wahu say ebu afaso enti drains enya say drains in the system and drains wom all right, but a feeling tino emu besi hwe wahu senia ebu afaso enti enya akwan kakra forso ya enwura no tumi wura mu a ekoye no wahu say nsuo asan bafom enti nsuo we na beko, but definitely edi nsuyiri be den ebeba anase ebebu afaso akọ amanfo adem se ohwe senia Accra ayeya because of the population intino ama enwura rubber enuoma fi adoso nsuo to na yedigum se yebo aban so bo a baby aban te no nsuyiri enkoka no. So enti ye ankasa na ye affected. There are some videos bi me hu ya enipa no beye ayini no omda so 2 days 3 days nsu after say nsu to ye no entumi enweye omotete abonten omaye stranded ade ba ko eye o wiase pa ne say wodam nsu beto na wontumi nye de enda okai ompa papa bi so now. So look at how etie hwe so So let us clean our environment. Not flooding. Wontumi.
This is a serious video. This is the reality. And Martina had can so many times. It's about time we started valuing or understanding or appreciating, say, trash is wealth. At this point, and I believe there, and I saw this, baller operators or tricycle operators are staging a demonstration over poor conditions at the OT landfill sites, demanding urgent action to resolve the challenges affecting waste disposal. In 2026, Ghana as a nation, we are demonstrating adentra yepe baby to ball egu. Baller too is money. That is the problem. 2026, menya sure say you kro bia yetiswa any crow in the world yebeka say ye kotwa asase atwa akofie ball egu so menya sure say any serious country, advanced country will do that. Because every single baller is money. And the tricycle operators, almost a baller, almost yet the mombufu, yenya baby into ball engu. The whole Accra, assassin sa. Mete se aye asantimemu, asantiman council, akachre the Kumasi Mayor, any regional minister say, omunko pa asase na asantiman council, emo mu green line, yanko to ball engu ho. Sana misate say asantiman council for so say omo pa asase dia ma asantiman akoto ball egu so oba eya nkrama mu so a ye say omo twi ball ka enkete ne say omo nya baby into ball engu. Why are we here? They are carrying wealth. Omo kute sika na omo soa ye nya baby a ye mfa sika de nko. So you see, and we will video be, and let me show you this ansana matwaso. I hope it's the video.
Aha, police. Okwa asipa ashama, okwa ashifulani. Cameraman na wini kata. Kesa no bi aye kata de blocks. Aha, police na yewe. So bad apa. That can be I jump to win any of the joking and sing bad apple. Ghana for your problem. Wait, and you be having all that as and you're fine. And you're fine. And you're fine. Community now the block na joking kata, which is very bad. Assembly ne kwa mi hu eduma mo ye ntia ye wa assembly member ne kra de Tony play be won Until we me the Bema MP 20 years. Why ya block it that? Cameraman bra we ni no ye. On sa nyina na ba ablock wa. On sa nyia aba ablock wa ko we chikakra. On sa nyia aba ablock wa. Inti saadi we en so mo force yi. Inti na ye de ato ye ho so nam e show. Aha ye police city. Say Mr. MP Honorable Ramadan Utia ani wa sembe ma Tony Bray munya hu adwuma ahanya eni ulegon nti nsuo no choki wa se be block amanfo be kwa amanfo sie na gata ya ye no eso mfaso ne den eso mfaso ne ma me camera no mi show ni ye ke obi fie enim e na wa ye saadi we obi fie enim hwese na ha nyina achoki oh hwese na ha nyina achoki enya politics hwese na ha nyina achoki ne damasi.
This is the reality. What would you be a dime for time be a waste no, or the bed destroy the whole community. None of the area. The area say, Omo material in us on school. Omo material in us say, Omo do more PhD, Omo den. Omo material in us more makabonim. They have seen this. The president is not going to come see this because president you all know. MP Nukra will not see this, but more multi area, what are you doing? How do you allow, or why do you allow one person, ni fie enim, wabeshi se, said, dear you, what they are blocking a whole drainage. One person. We live in a community. This is not about Ramadan. This is not about, this is about us. The person who lives in that house, the people in the community, you need to approach him and be like, gutter where you the gutter does not belong to that person. The gutter is for the government. The gutter is for all of us. You don't have the right to put these things in and block the gutter. So, you see, we need to approach these things ourselves. We as citizens, we need to be the watchdogs. Because, Abrantia, when your time or church aside women, for all you know, say so say a status say a yiri, na say aqua we block here, a Abrantia with them in a beko. Kwasiampay than them. But this young man, he might lose his life, he might lose his property. Bibiabe say, na kwasia wenti, wa blocky gatana, eya buying gatano. And that is what I'm talking about. We cannot do anything that we like. Because you may be a bindia and you have no right to destroy it. Now, when it comes to the flooding, let's be fair. I would like to speak to the government. See, the Interior Minister, the President of the Republic, we all supported it when the government decided to give the district assemblies the capacity and the support to take care of their trash in Ghana nationwide. At least we have to revise the plan. It is getting to the point who say the district assemblies don't have the capacity. They don't have the capacity to at the end of the day collect and make sure trash does not end up on our streets again. The district assemblies are doing their part. We see it. But the issue about waste management, picking of trash, the process it goes through before it disappears totally, I believe the district assembly, they don't have the capacity to fully take this operation. I will humbly, respectfully suggest to the government that companies in Ghana that have the capacity and the ability to support the district assemblies to fight this waste management problems. It does not matter whoever they are, what they represent. If we all need to come to the table and make sure, we fight this, we need to do it. Because as much as this government is doing everything possible to give enough resource to the district assemblies to be able to handle this waste management, I believe it is going to take some time for the district assemblies to be independently resourced and adequately resourced to be able to handle waste management, because it's going to this point whereby waste management has become a national security problem in Ghana. Waste management has become a national security issue in Ghana. This is not the time we have to sit and allow it to consume us. Years and years of neglect, years and years of us not looking at this problem as an issue affecting every single citizen. It's about time we sat down and look at this issue critically. The district assemblies around the nation, they are equipped, but they are not resourced enough. And I believe that there are companies in the system. We all know, we are not saying, some companies, what system we know, at least, almost to me the resources kakra abwa government halfway. If even it's going to be for the next 5, 6, 7, 10 years, till the district assemblies have been resourced. Government has been able to build recycling plants. Then we can say, okay, right now we want to go independent in waste management as a nation. I believe, the waste management companies in the system, we need to engage them for them to collaborate with the district assemblies to help fight this. Because if we decide to be very rigid, if we decide to make it very rigid in terms of fight fight against waste management, we are going to struggle a little bit, because the honest truth is, how many district assemblies have recycling plants? None. How many district assemblies have the capacity and equipment to be picking trash all over the place? A few of them. Some of them are even struggling with what we call maintenance of their equipment. Now we have private entities, private companies that have a little bit of experience and the capacity to, at the end of the day, help the district assemblies halfway to fight this waste management problem. In fact, I am not saying, say, Yantam Ghana waste management, enfama private entity. No. We can let the private companies or private entities understand, say, this is not a deal whereby you are going to basically benefit 100 times than the government. No. This is something you need to let the private companies in Ghana understand. Say, we are at a point where we will need everybody on board. So don't expect to be paid more than what you were taking before. And that you need to meet the government halfway, because technically this is a sacrificial job. As much as you are going to be paid, it does not mean, say, you have to coming in fully for profit or making some margins that the government cannot meet you halfway. So, engage these private companies, and we know them in Ghana. There are a lot of waste management companies, at least omu defects, omu problems, we have encountered them. Yenim say Sebio almost at a point there might be some things they did were not right, but at least there are some few things that we believe these waste management companies, ebetimi abwa meeting government halfway. And I'm talking about the likes of Vonje and the Zoom Lions. Let's engage them. It's about time, because we can't sit here and waste management companies are basically being employed out of the country, shipping Ghanaians out to go work in waste management fields, while in Ghana we are being swallowed by trash. We will wish that the government of Ghana will have full control on the management of waste in Ghana. But at this point, I don't think we are resourced enough. We have the equipment ready. We have the recycling equipment or plants ready to be able to sustain or consume all this trash. So we have to sometimes understand that we will need the private sector's collaboration or involvement in the waste management fight. So I will advise the government with all due respect. And I know there are some companies in Ghana, along the way, some of their actions the government of the day did not like. There are some companies in the system who some of their characters sometimes the government did not see right. But that does not also take away the expertise they have. Their expertise is what we are sorting. That is what we are going after, not who they are. So at this point, I believe that if we decide to fight this, we need to, at the end of the day, engage the waste management companies that we know at least have track record when it comes to waste management. Because people can have different companies, but sometimes we cannot gloss over every single company they have. Some company might be on the right track, doing the right thing. And I believe that the government should sit back and start engaging some of these waste management companies. And we know them, they are all around. Some of them we know they have their plants. Some of them we know they have enough equipment. Some of them we know they can even add human resource to help the district assemblies to work to fight this menace. We beg you, Mr. President, and this government. This is a time that we are supposed to bring on the private sector. Let's give ourselves 5-10 years. If we want to build in every region a recycling plant, let's give ourselves that 10 years. By the moment, we would need the private sector. We would need the waste management companies to come on board. The district assemblies are struggling. They don't have the capacity. They are doing their best, but it's not easy. The amount of trash that we generate in a day, the district assemblies are going to struggle. And right now, see, we have a lot of trash. We don't know how to burn them. We don't know how to turn them into money. There are private companies, waste management companies that have more capacity to even absorb all this trash. Let's try. Let's try. Mr. President, the government of the day, we know the goodwill is there. There are so many waste management companies in Ghana. We have Jacora Ventures, City Waste Management Company, Waste Landfills Company, Wasteman Ghana, BD Waste. We have Zoom Lion, and we know the work Zoom Lion are here over the years. All these companies are around. And in fact, in Ghana, Zoom Lion is one of the biggest waste management companies. Whether you like it or not, he might have his own problems. He might have his own sins. That is him. But the work, when it comes to waste management, I believe in Ghana and even in Africa, Zoom Lion is bigger than most of the companies around Africa. And why should Zoom Lion be coming from Ghana and we as Ghanaians be struggling with waste management? No, we are not saying that we should carry the whole waste management thing and give to Zoom Lion. It doesn't work like that. But we are looking at capacity. We are looking at experience. We are looking at resource. And these are people who are all in Ghana. We cannot skip this. Let's at some point, let's all meet at the point. Let us meet these companies, especially Zoom Lion. We cannot be sitting here for Zoom Lion to be working in about 29 African countries, saving other countries from being swallowed by trash, and where he is from, we cannot engage him. I'm not saying, say, Abain, Tamusikama Zoom Lion, now Yenta Zoom Lion billions. No. What I am saying is Zoom Lion should also understand this is a patriotic job. As much as he wants interest or profit in his work, he needs to understand the kind of profit he's going to make in Zambia, he's not going to make in Ghana, because we need to help build this nation. If he's willing to do this job, he should not be expecting $1 billion interest from this job, because we all need to help one way or the other. Zoom Lion is so a Pentecost elder. He needs to understand there is more patriotism, but at least do I hear him adeno sebio on tafrene nsanwokwa ana pepa nsanwokwa Zoom Lion or the few of the beye juma or the nipa the beye juma, he needs to be paid for his job, and we need to at the end of the day make sure that we are putting our money where at the end of the day we will get results. Very important. So this is my advice, because now in a video you see Kumasi Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, K University, yes, the whole place was flooded. Like, it doesn't make sense. Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. So you people here are there. Afladia Matek is one Flade. Intimu University of Science and Technology. Inti school na mutibu na mo build school. Engineers na bugumna. Yeah, architects. Yeah, dear no. Inti musu bugu school na tech odena mudi gobena mudi anasa dena moye. At least we should see, like, this is where I will say, okay, tech for a system bia in Sobia to tech it me ra a day, so we more form na copy. That's the idea to one so couldn't quasiade. Jantra. Oh, we got Kevin did you got your 2-4. That's a bit a lecture across CBS or tech. Or tell the John Mams about Jimmy who through. So yes, lecture be or tech was at the minimum or show. And John Mahama has failed to say from who through Domada with you crash over Zankra whatever car. Any briefing grind. And yet tell John Mahama has failed and then they say found foot record on your cousin. What the tech war? What the tech war? Jantra and Jama. Intimate to me and device be was okay. Say I take insure to yiri take pass over who says swing your boy. It's mutona, yeah, architects, yeah, engineering, yeah, planning, and a day, what did you not take grassy radios with Jimmy? Much we got take about 30 years, nobody to radio so. Aye, yeah, square, yeah, PhD, and so we had a salary of $2,000. A Jimmy for. And the PhD and the course school of tech and Wontumi more salary go do $500 a year for. Yes, yeah, but degree. I poor. I be or say be there. Yeah, we take a better radio soon. Kwasia kika. Jimmy at your classy. Yes, Rosia Bank can have a juma. Yet you crassy. And your trade, I have a PhD is also Kwasia or Junso Crada Tada at Tana them. Jimmy. Ukwa na jaya Johnson I go to me nko. Ena mo from PhD. Not the kwasiati radio so tech na aflade no. An engineering school, science, technology school. You people could not come up and say okay. Right now, Friday no or tech party obe Rasa campus we. It is almost so tabibia. Yegum. And I'm kwasiade whole week. And I'm kwasiade na we be twahwe we free abronsan so be show girl be agya no. Ye nka brofo page na yetumi nka. And a debia premiership yegum and a move free na Jimmy omodwa. This boy what you go to. Why because every tech be akabrofo. And a good tech. Kwasiade. Now, this is a school, science and technology school. Your lectures gum apetesi. Omega, Ochina de Mitiate. Ochina, what was our responding free tech via Cabrofo? Remember, Jamie, and Tiasia Cabrofo was in the Braba. Nothing. There's no practical thing. Banchre. School ben pana obeko Asia. School ben obeko Europe I say aha science and technology. Na nsu ato and nsu yiri eh. And e fam kwaje bese. Momra ne fam kwaje bode. Because if so be any technology na musu anim. Science ne enyem na muso ya planning. Monya akito wo ho no. E de pa na monya na tech wo. E de gesua owiase a monya bi wo ho. Ahwenie nyina mo hihye bi ahwenie mo hihye bi o tech e dey na mo je na mo tech esi nsu ayiri yetete nsu ani yenti ase o yentimi ko lectures na school na mo to no ene se mo ko pa no wen ene ka mo ko pa no mfa so be ba mo so ana mo ko bo eto mo ko bo eyi fantedoko no e dey nsem hunu no ana a transit point keke aha de obeji set bi ani ekọ ene omo so matena school mu acha bo mu nkokora Kumasi assemblyman ya PhD normally to radio so obu pay ndru $500 ehiafo oni life savings bia ontua snit oni bibia ena Kumasi inkurasesam oh ende mo man nam kakra we de oye djuma wa ha I wonim no oh we oh me na me to precontrol mo ntumi so oh nkai no oh abrantie me asere ne me amayi oh oti radio so oh abrantie oh I ono a ende te kakra ka no saa na mo de ti Kumasi I and I would Mr. Kanka unyi opportunity kakranka. I wouldn't can assume no. And I wouldn't my brantiano. Said I be oh on LT radio so I say no na me yase pema. Omuyam hunter sam kotre. Kwasiake kan Jimmy. Omunsua de amfa improvement bi amba. Ochina bitiate.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words.
How a better near to me ashisha Ghana sikasem a develop Ghana. A better near to me I'll make sure say I drink I'm a Ghana couldn't him. But say about the verb.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.